Okay, we're back. We've been driving behind this guy for at least about a mile now, and he's just sitting there with his turn signal on, just cruising down 14 mile, M57, whatever you want to call it. Just driving, planning on turning sometime, eventually. Sorry it's so shaky. I can't turn on image stabilization when it's on 1080p, so you'll have to suffer. But yeah, he's just passing roads with his turn signal on. Maybe he might turn up at Myers Lake. Let's see. Is he going to? He's still blinking. Up. Nope. Passing Berrigan. So apparently he's still planning on turning eventually. Still going. Yeah, you guys have been watching this for a minute, so what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to fast forward it, and then we'll see eventually when he turns. Just driving on the road. Up. Myers Lake. Is he going to turn? No. Nope. He's not. Say hi, random people. Up. Is he still turning? Yes, he is. Oh, nope, that's the windshield. Still turning. Shaner? Is he gonna turn at Shaner? Is he? Oh. No. He's not. Look, Shaner Nursery. There, free advertising. I want some plants now. No?
There's a turn at the church.
Still, maybe he'll turn at the church. We'll see. No. He's gonna fly right past it. Still turning. Hi, Josh and Melissa's dad. Hi. How's it going? Bye. See, there's the old church. He did not turn there. He's still not turning.
Very turn oriented.
Fanes Ilstra. You guys really need new drivers, because apparently you've been turning for about 6 miles. Still turning. Oh, nope, that's windshield again. Still turning. Okay, we're at Northland Drive. Is he turning? This is the breaking point. Will he turn?
Oh, he turned off the turn signal.
Oh, he turned off the turn signal. The mystery has been solved. He finally figured it out after 6 miles, almost 7. Probably more. But, look. There's a Burger King. Yeah. There's our little liquor store. We got a car lot over here. John Decker. Rosie's Diner. Up there. Where is it? Where's the sign?
Rosie's ain't on there.
Oh, okay, just the diner.
Something happened to the Rosie.
That's Rosie's Diner. Okay. Crazy Horse, that's where all the crazy rednecks go get drunk. And our little strip malls we got lined up. There's a dollar bill. Right. Oh, there it is. See, we got a Domino's Pizza and some other crappy businesses. Not really crappy businesses, just businesses. Rogue Valley something or other. That's a vet place. Just driving on the road. Yeah, I'll just set you guys down. There we go. See if I can actually get you set up where you can see. Just driving. Oh, what's gonna happen? It's like a dash cam. Cops. Oh, what's he doing? There's two guys in that truck and none of them can blink. We have a disturbance at the 14-mile mobile. Alright. Well. Hold on a second, let me back this up. It's been nice talking to you. So we will see you later. Thanks for sitting with us watching a vehicle trying to turn for 7 minutes. So have a good day. Bye.